Investors are attracted to dividend stocks for their potential to provide a steady income, regardless of market conditions. They are suitable for conservative investors or those in or nearing retirement who prioritize income generation and lower volatility. Diversifying also means investing in different sectors of the economy. Some of the main sectors include technology, healthcare, finance, consumer goods, and energy. By spreading your investments across these sectors, you can protect your portfolio from market volatility in any one sector. The technology sector encompasses companies involved in the research, development, and distribution of technologically based goods and services. This includes everything from software and hardware to internet services and electronics. Examples include Apple, Microsoft, Google, Alphabet, and Amazon. This sector is innovation-driven and constantly evolving with new products and services, offering high growth potential but also volatility due to rapid changes in technology and market trends. Companies that provide medical services, manufacture medical equipment or drugs, provide medical insurance, or facilitate the provision of health care to patients. Examples include Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, United Health Group, and Medtronic. This sector has stable demand as medical services and products are consistently needed, regardless of economic cycles. However, it is highly regulated and constantly innovating.